Hello guys, welcome to Hua In Live Show. I'm your old friend Coco. Welcome to our live show again. Hua In sales team will have a date with you each week. If you want to learn more about the waste tire, waste plastic to oil pyrolysis machine, please follow our live show room. You will get more information about Hua In factory and the machine. Okay, since 1993. Huayin Group specialized in waste-to-energy equipment, offering solutions to waste tire recycling, waste plastic recycling, and waste aging oil recycling. We already export our machine to 78 countries all over the world. Today, in our live showroom, I will introduce two factories of Huayin. One is this one, the demo factory of Huayin, and another one is our workshop, the production workshop. Okay, and before our live show, let me introduce our sales promotion prepare for you. Okay, you will see 3 times live showroom in January, and I think some old friends already attend our sales promotions. Yeah, one last time is in 13 January. Yeah, the second one is today, and the next time is in 27 January. Okay, the same time 27. If you want to get coupon and have purchase plan within 2 months, yeah, you can take a screenshot of our live show and then send to your sales manager or to our click the chat now and send to our customer service person. If you watch our live show room 3 times, the first time you will get $3,000 coupon. The second time you will get $5,000 coupon. And if you can watch 3 times, you will get $8,000 coupon. Of course, this coupon only can use within 2 months if you purchase our machine. Okay. Okay. Now let's me have a simple introduction of our demo factory. Let's go. We built our demo factory. Why we built this demo factory? Because when we have new technology, we need to test the new technology of the pyrolysis machine. And when our clients visit us, they want to see the real running machine in our factory, right? Yeah. But during the COVID-19, most of clients can't fly to China and can't come to our factory. So we have to show our factory and machine through the live showroom. Okay, you can see from the left side to the right side, there are different machines. The first one is our 5th generation pyrolysis machine. And the second is our machine during testing for the medical waste. And about the red one is distillation machine to recycling the waste aging oil or oil sludge or the pyrolysis oil. Of course, today I will mainly introduce the pyrolysis machine for you. Yeah, it's for the waste tire and the waste plastic to fuel oil pyrolysis machine. I will give you a simple introduction about the pyrolysis machine. And after the visiting the demo factory, my colleague Clover will give you a detailed introduction about our workshop, our production workshop in our another factory. Okay, firstly, when you want to install one such pyrolysis machine, at present, we have 1 ton, 3 ton, 5 ton, and 10 ton capacity per day. Yeah, but the 10 ton model is our most hot sale and popular model all over the world. Yeah, this model is our 10 ton model. 10 ton model. It means it can recycle 10 ton plastic or waste tire per day. Yeah. Okay. There are 6 parts of one set pyrolysis machine. The first part of the pyrolysis machine is the green one. The name is outfeeder. Yeah, it's the outfeeder. The outfeeder can help you compress the raw material, like the with the tire or with the plastic. It can help you save some space, and then it with 60 hydraulic powers put the raw material to the reactor. It's a function about the outfeeder. Of course, it have others function like more safe and more save time and others. Our colleague Clover will give you a detailed introduction about the outfeeder later. Okay, and then about the second part is our reactor. It's the most important part of the pyrolysis plant because it's inside the reactor. The solid waste tire or the solid waste plastic will become oil gas and the carbon black from here. Yeah, when it's work, it's rotated during heating. Yeah, during heating. When it's rotated, it can be heating very uniformly. Yeah. And the third part about the is a blue one. It's a furnace. We also call it a foundation. The foundation can build above the ground or under the ground. Yeah, the function is for heating the reactor. About the outfeeder, you can use wood, coal, pyrolysis oil, or natural gas as the heating material. But the 90% of our clients will use the pyrolysis oil used as a fuel material because the pyrolysis oil is from this plant itself. Yeah, it can save a lot cost, and you needn't find other fuel material from the local market, right? Yeah, when you want to use the pyrolysis oil, you will need the oil burners. Of course, we can supply the oil burners to you. Yeah, if you want to know more about the reactor, about the feeder, now you can click the chat now or the catalog to chat with our customer service person at once. Okay. Yeah, it's the third part, and the first part is about the carbon black discharge system. Yeah, after the pyrolysis whole finished, there are still some carbon black. No matter in the waste tire or the waste plastic, there are some carbon black needs to discharge outside, right? Yeah, the first part is about the carbon black discharge system. We have two different carbon black discharge system. Yeah, we will introduce details later in our live show room. So follow us and don't leave. Okay, you will get more information. And about fifth part is about the cooling system. Yeah, after get through the cooling system, the oil will be cold and then saved in the tank. So oil tank. So the cooling system quality is very important, and the design is also very important. Yeah, we have different type of cooling system. We will introduce you three types different cooling system in our live show room. Okay, so please don't leave our live show room, and we will give you a detailed introduction why the cooling system is different and what kind of cooling system is more suitable for you. And then the sixth part of the pyrolysis machine is our dedusting system. Yeah, we can say like this. The dedusting system function is clean the flue gas from the furnace. Yeah, as I just mentioned, the furnace will use the natural gas or the pyrolysis oil or wood or coal to heating the reactor, right? So the flue gas needs very clean because it's very important to the environment. Most of countries clients require the environment. You require have high requirements about the environment. Yes. This is the 6 parts of the pyrolysis machine. And then I want to show you the foundation, which is under the ground. Yet, as I just introduced, the foundation can under the ground or above the ground. It means you can build yourself or buy the foundation from our factory. Because some countries don't allow to dig the ground to build some construction, but if your country or the local place allows you build this foundation underground, you can choose this one. It can save some cost for you. Yeah. Now I want to show you about some waste plastic our pyrolysis machine can recycle. If you want to recycle waste plastic, I think our salesperson tell you it can be PP, PE, PS, and ABS. The daily waste plastic or the plastic from the landfill, just like this. We can see the plastic piece. It's very dirty, right? Dirty, and many kinds of plastic mixed here. Yeah. Okay. It also can be recycled by our pyrolysis machine. Yeah, some clients from Indonesia or Thailand or Philippines are preferred to recycle the plastic, especially when they cooperate with their local government and recycle the landfill. Landfill plastic, you will get 2 kinds of money, one from your local government and one from our pyrolysis oil. Okay, it's my simple introduction about our demo factory. Now we are going to our workshop. You will have a details introduction about our workshop and our reactor cooling system, the dusting system. Okay, let's go. Okay, friends, we are introduced the waste tire, waste the plastic, or waste the aging oil machines. If you are interested about our machine, please click the chat now or click the catalog or give us like, to get more information from us. Yes, and if you have purchase plan within 2 months, please don't forget take a screenshot. Take a screenshot about our live room. Then you will get a coupon, big amount coupon. There are history. Yeah, it's very big amount coupon. If you can watch 3 times about our live show, you will get $8,000 coupon. Yeah, it's very big coupon. Yeah, but of course the sales contract amount should more than $15,000. Yeah, it's suitable for $50,000 a month sales contract. Okay, yeah, it's about our sales promotions. Yeah, Huayin sales team is trying to making some changes about our sales method because during the COVID-19 is so serious all over the world. Yeah, no matter in last year or this year, it seems can't stop during within short time. So I wish all we Huayin sales team wish we can show you some details about our machine and the Huayin company in different way. So each week we will have a live show to show our factory and machines and give you some sales promotion. You can get some coupon from us. Okay, so at present it's the only way you can learn more about Huayin company and learn more about the waste plastic and the tires to oil machine without coming to China. Yeah, it's really a problem for us because before last year, each year we have more than 100 clients all over the world come to our factory and visit us. But it's impossible within these 2 years. So I wish more and more clients are preferred like this way.
跟我站一遍，跟我站一遍。
Okay. Okay, now I will hand over the following time to my colleague. They will give you a detailed introduction about our workshop, and you will know more about our reactor and other details. Okay.
Clover.
Clover.
Hello, my friends. I'm Katarina. Now you are in Huayin live show. Now we are in our factory. Yeah. In the next part, we will show you our workshop. Yeah. And yeah, you know we have totally 3 workshops. And in the number 1 workshop, you will see how we produce the reactor and the condenser. And in the number 2 workshop, you will see our storage. Yeah. And in the 3rd workshop, you will see the other accessories. Now, hi Clover.
Hi.
Say hi to our friends.
This is Clover.
Yeah, I'm Katarina. Now, my friends, you are in Huayin live show. Manufacture of pyrolysis machine for recycling with tires and plastic to oil. Hi Clover. Now let's go to see the number 1 workshop.
Yes.
Okay, follow us. Yeah, in our number 1 workshop, you will see the reactor, yeah, and the condenser, and how we to produce the pyrolysis machine.
Yes, reactor is the most important part of the whole pyrolysis plant.
Yeah. Hi. So, hi, my friends. Now let's have a look. Let's see the inner reactor. Yeah, you see the reactor is made of 2 parts: the insulation cover and inner reactor. Yeah, now we can see the inner reactor. Okay, this way. Whoa. Hi, Clover. Could you please introduce us about the inner reactor?
Yes, the inner boiler part is made of the boiler part and the driving system of the reactor. And here is made of the Q245R steel plate. And this inner boiler part is very, very important because it needs to stand high temperature. And the heating temperature is about 1000 Celsius degree.
Yeah. And what's the dimension?
And then this reactor, the dimension is 10 tons. Yeah, that means you can process 10 tons of tire of plastic every batch.
Yeah, I mean, what's the size of the inner reactor? What's the size, the length and the width? Yeah.
The diameter is 2.8 meter and the length is 6.6 meter.
Yeah, so the volume is about 40 cubic meter.
Yes.
Yes, and each cubic meter can hold about 250 kilograms with tires. So this one, you could put 10 tons with tires or plastic into the reactor.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, Clover. I think this capacity is 10 tons per day per batch. Yeah.
Yes.
And now let's go and have look another smaller one.
Okay.
Yeah, we have also a smaller reactor. Hi, my friends. Now you are in Huayin live show. Manufacture of pyrolysis machine. If you want to recycle with tires or plastic and polymer, you can contact with our service manager, and we will send to you more catalog and information about our pyrolysis machine.
Yes.
Now you see this is our smaller one. Yeah. Well,
yes.
It's so small.
Yes.
And what's the capacity?
And this capacity is 1 ton per batch.
1 ton per batch per day.
Yes. The processing time is 10 hours. For the figure one we just saw, the processing time is 22 to 24 hours per day.
Yeah. Well, the working process is the same with the big one.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, I see. I think here you can see the foundation for the small pyrolysis machine.
Yes, this is the foundation and the lower installation cover for the 1-ton machine.
Yeah. So you don't need to dig the foundation if you buy our mini pyrolysis machine. Yeah, it could help you to save the labor cost.
Yeah.
One high tool I saw here is two rollers. It's to support the reactor. Yeah.
Yes, these are rollers to support our reactors in the boiler part. And this is one important part I want to show you. This will spell out the connecting pipes of the reactor body, not the reactor body directly. This is very important because the reactor body, the reactor body is very high temperature. So over a long time, the reactor body will suffer thermal expansion and contraction. There will be bubble on the surface. So if you connect this part, over time, the surface will not be smooth. So the rotating will not be smooth. But this part will not accept the heating. So it will not suffer thermal expansion and contraction effect. So it can always ensure smooth and even operation and very safe.
Yeah, I agree with you. The safety is the most important if you want to start this business. Yeah. Okay, hi, Clover. Now we see only this is the semi-finished foundation. Yeah, later we will see the finished reactor.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, wow. Now I saw a big goal. Can you introduce us about it?
This is the head cover for the reactor to seal the two ends of the reactor. And this is also very important because this will directly matters to the sealed and reliable long-term operation of the reactor.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Clover. You see here in our hand cover there is only one ship. Yeah.
Yes.
And I thought in the market there is some other hand covers and they are like the umbrella.
Yeah.
There is so many ships. So
Yes.
could you introduce the advantage of our hand cover?
Yes. You raised a very good question. This head cover has three advantages. First, it's fully sealed. You know that the more welding seams a steel plate have, the more difficult to fully seal it. So our head cover only has one welding seam, so it's better to seal it. And second, good material. This head cover uses Q245R steel plate, and it's one full steel plate, so it's the same quality as our reactor to ensure the quality. And third, it can stand pressure and it's safer because its shape is like a bowl. So even if it has any pressure due to workers' wrong operation, the pressure will spread instead of focusing on one part. So it's safer.
Yeah. Hi, Clover. I thought the material is Q245R. Yeah. And what the thickness? The thickness?
It's 10 millimeter thick. It's 16 millimeter thick.
16?
Yes.
Why Huayin company choose 16 millimeters and not 10 millimeters?
That's a good question because we've tested many times, and you can see the thickness here. It's 16 millimeters.
Yeah.
We've tested many times, and before we test this size, if the steel plate is thicker, it will affect the heat energy transfer, prolong the heating time. But if it is too thick, then over time it
will easily get break and cannot stand high temperature. So we choose this 16 millimeter. Wow! So my friends, company Huayin choose good materials, and you choose us a reliable manufacturer for pyrolysis machine. Now, my friends, you are in Huayin live show. I'm Kinarina. I'm Silova, and now you are watching this tire and plastic pyrolysis plant. Yeah. Hi, Clover. Yes. Just as you mentioned, our installation cover. What's the advantage? Yeah, the advantage is it is fully sealed and it is thermal isolation. Yeah. And you can see here, it has 3 layers. Yeah. First, outside layer is the steel plate, and here it is refractory cement, and between them it is the rock wool for thermal insulation. Well, I have a question. Why Huayin company choose white rock wool? I'm not yellow one or black one. Yes, you know that the market has 3 types, right? Yeah. The yellow one, white one, and the black one. Yeah. The white ones are the best because they can stand high temperature. The yellow ones and the black ones cannot stand high temperature. So over time, this will shrink and vanish. So no thermal insulation effect. Yeah, because the working temperature is about 500 to 600 degrees. So you have to see the energy, and the insulation cover is very important part of the pyrolysis machine. Yes. So Huayin company choose good raw materials with good quality, and you choose us a reliable manufacturer. Hi, Clover. Whoa, there are so many boxes, wooden boxes. Yes, yes. Wow. Well, they are accessories for delivery, yeah? Yes, we use wooden boxes to store the small parts in case of losing them. Oh, like the pressure gauge. Yes, yeah. To monitor the gauge inside the reactor. Wow, and the alarm. Yes, yeah. The alarming bell is to alarm workers to come and release pressure when there is any pressure and the workers run operation. Oh, I see. Yeah, so both these are safety devices, and these are the sealing material and other material you would use during your daily plant operation and operation. Oh, I see. Thank you. Now, my friends, you are in Huayin live show. Now let's have a look. Now let's take a look for the warehouse. And here you could see, wow, so many accessories. Yeah. Yes. Like I will take one of them, like what's this? Yeah, the sight glass. Sight glass. Yeah. Oh, it is so heavy. Yeah, this is. Yeah, because this is made of quartz glass. This is for viewing the oil, liquid fuel oil coming out. But you know, the fuel oil is very high temperature. Yeah, yeah. So if using common glass, this will easily get broken. But so we use quartz glass. It can stand at least 600 Celsius degree temperature. Wow. Yeah. Wow, you know, the plant, it consists of over 1,000 parts. So there are many small parts, and every small part accounts. So we specially built a warehouse to store these parts. Yeah. I over here in the disk. Now I Chloe, you see the metal gasket? Yeah. Now we have the old one to the metal one. Yeah.
Yes.
It could help customers to induce the frequency of maintenance.
Yes,
Yeah.
because this can be used many times before we use the asbestos gasket. This is disposable, only one time use. So now we replace the gaskets to metal ones.
Yeah, I see. And there are always so many accessories like the three-way
Connecting.
connecting and the other connecting walls. So many.
Yes, so we put different parts in one different box.
Yeah, you see, our Paris machine is made of about thousands of accessories. So it's very important to pay more attention on the safety and environment.
Hello. Let's have a look how they are producing the roller. Okay? How?
Yeah. Wow, have a look. Here is the roller. Wow. It's so heavy. I can't put it.
Yeah, because this is one the most important part of the driving system, the rollers, gear, and reducer. So we produce them ourselves to ensure the quality, and you can touch it. It's very smooth outside.
Yeah.
So that's because we use a lathing machine to smooth it.
So that we could ensure the smooth during the work during the process of paralysis. Yeah.
Yes, because the rollers, if there is any bubble, then when rotating, it will jump and shake, not very dangerous.
Yeah, it's very dangerous. It will cause the explosion. Whoa.
Yes, because if jump and shake, easily cause damage to the reactor.
Yeah. Wow. I hear you. Was this graphic?
Yeah, the graphite packing
What's
sealing.
the usage?
It's for sealing, like the feeding door, the oil outlet, and the carbon black discharging door, because the reactor has to be fully sealed to prevent oil gas coming out. So, and we use this to help sealing it.
Yeah, but well, I have a question for you. How many boxes our customer need for 1 year?
For 1 year, this has two types: the 16 millimeter and 12 millimeter. For 16 millimeter, for 16 millimeter, it will require 12 boxes for 1 year use, and for 12 millimeter, it about 5 boxes.
Yeah, I see. And the buying company will provide our customer different type of graphic.
Yes.
Hi, my friend. Now you are in Huayin Lecture manufacturer of pyrolysis machine for recycling waste tires and plastic to oil. If you want to start this business and if you want to process the waste tires, plastics or oil sludge, then you can contact with us for the more information.
Yes.
Hi, Clover. I saw here the electrical cabinet.
Yes.
Yeah, but there are different size, the big one and the smaller one.
Yes.
What's the differences?
Yes, you ask. This is because the electric cabinet can be customized. You see here, it shows in Chinese that it has a transformer, so it is bigger than other ones.
Yeah, so buying company could provide customized design for our clients. Yeah, and also you see here the cabinet in Chinese and in English. Yeah. If my friends, if you are from Russian or from other countries and you want to change the language, share with us and we could provide you customized cabinet.
Yes, and Katerina, you are in Russian market, and
Yeah.
you have Russian clients that require you to change this to Russian language, right?
Yeah. And in the last year, in 2020, we sold to Russian and Kazakhstan mainly pyrolysis machines, and they choose the cabinet with Russian language. It's suitable for their workers to operate the machine.
Yes, sure.
So, my friends, if you have any questions or requirements, share with us or leave message, and our service people will contact with you. Wow, hi, come over here in the fan.
Yes, the centrifugal fan.
The industrial fan.
Yes.
And what's the usage?
This is for the dusting system to blow the air.
Yeah, I see. And it's made of stainless steel?
Yes, the impeller and the air inlet is made of stainless steel because the flue gas is dirty and contains acid. So we use this part for stainless steel to ensure the long service life.
Yeah, I think. Here you can see the reducer.
Yes, the reducer is also one part of the driving system.
What's the advantage?
Now the Huayin's advantage is that we upgraded to the cast steel. Before we use a cast iron material, but due to some clients' feedback that their local market, the power supply is not stable.
Yeah.
So when the reactor is working and suddenly power off, it may cause damage to the driving system. So that's why we upgraded to casting steel to ensure it's always working well, even under power off condition.
Yeah, with the development of technical and Huayin often update our machine and other accessories so that to meet the need of our clients.
Yes, because Huayi has a special technical team. We always do go to domestic and foreign client sites to visit them and to listen to their feedbacks and engineers' feedbacks, and then come back home and improve our machines and technologies.
Yeah. Oh, hi, my friends. I forgot to tell with you. And in the next part, we will have a video call with our engineers and clients from Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah, and our engineer, Mr. Young, will share with you the running pyrolysis machine. Yeah, we'll show you the running machine and share with you the after field work. Yeah, so you could know more about our machine and our company.
Yes. So please stay with us.
Hi, my friends. Now you are in Huayin live show. If you want to process with tires, with the plastic, with polymer, and you could contact with us for information about pyrolysis machine. Yeah, you see our machine could recycle different waste raw materials to oil.
And during this live show, we also have a big coupon, right?
Yeah. What's the coupon in this time?
And look, we have three live shows together. Last week, if you see only one live show, you will get 3,000 coupon. If you watch two live shows together continuously, you will get 5,000. And if you watch last week, today, and next week, you will get 8,000 together. So please stay with us and each Wednesday.
So my friends, don't leave our live show.
Yeah.
The more live show you see, and the bigger coupon you could get.
Sure.
Yeah. Now you could see the condenser.
Yes.
A small condenser. It's for the pyrolysis machine. 1 ton per batch. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And this is for my Mexico clients.
Wow.
1 ton and plastic to diesel production line. So one for pyrolysis plant and one for distillation plant.
Wow. When it will deliver to Mexico?
And the end of this month. He is checking the shipping cost now.
Yeah. Hi, Clover. How many countries the Huayin company exported the machine?
Huayin has exported the machine to 78 countries over the past 2 decades. Huayin has been in this business for 27 years, since 1993. It's almost 28 years now.
Yeah.
It's already 2021.
Yeah, so company Huayin has so big experience in this field.
Yeah.
Since you are in our number 2 workshop, in this workshop you could see our finished reactor.
Yes.
Yeah, this is all the products for delivery. Like this one is for delivery.
Yes.
Yeah, you see the reactor with silver.
Yes.
With silver, and I want to know why Huayin company choose this color.
Yes.
Because it looks beautiful.
Not only because it looks elegant, but because this silver is not a common silver painting. It is anti-high temperature painting. So you know the reactor temperature is high, right?
Yeah.
So this can always stay, remain this paint color. If using other common painting over time, it will get black.
Yeah, I see. Hi, Koba. Just now you mentioned the one reactor has one reducer.
Yes.
But for this one, why there is 2 reducers?
Yes, you have very sharp eyes and notice the difference. That's because the reactors you just saw are common tire and plastic pyrolysis plants, and this pyrolysis machine is for oil sludge material.
For oil sludge?
Yes, because oil sludge is heavier.
Yeah.
So this has 2 reducers to better support the weight.
Yeah, I see. So Huayin company could not only recycle with tires, plastic, but also oil sludge and other materials. So my friends, if you want to recycle waste, no matter what kind of raw materials, if you don't know whether it could be produced by Paris machine, then you can leave message or share information with us, and our sales manager will suggest you more suitable design.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we have a different customized designs, like for the oil sludge, not only the reducer, but also the inside design is different to prevent the sludge from cooking.
Yeah. Hi, Clover. Just now we saw the small inner reactor.
Yes.
And the big inner reactor.
Yes.
Now we will see the finished small reactor.
The insulation cover.
The insulation cover and with the foundation.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's very, very easy to install.
Yes, because this part already have the furnace, and so you don't need to buy a furnace separately, and don't need to dig it.
Yeah, so it could help you to save time and labor cost.
Yes.
It's very convenient.
Yes.
Okay, now my friends, you are in Huayin live show. Now we are in number 2 workshop.
Yeah.
Later we will go to the number 3 workshop where you could see the different accessories and our new machines.
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm. Huayin Company, a manufacturer of pyrolysis machine for recycling waste tires and plastic through oil.
Yes.
Yeah, so my friends, if you want to start this business but you don't know how to start it, and you could share with us your information. Yeah, and we will send to you more files about this project.
Yes, and Huayin will give you suggestion about from many aspects like collecting raw material and all your sales channels and like permit.
Yeah. Hi, Kova. Here is the what's this?
This is the carbon black discharging system.
And for discharging the
Carbon black.
carbon black.
Yes.
Yeah. You see after pyrolysis with tires, you could get full oil.
Yes.
Yeah, and the steel well,
Yeah.
and carbon black, and
Yeah.
syngas.
Yes.
And this one is for discharging the carbon black.
After
Yeah.
the oil producing process is finished and after plant cooling.
Yeah, this design is very easy to maintain. Yeah.
Yes, this knuckle can be opened very easily, so it's easy.
Oh, it could be open and
Yes.
to do the maintenance. Yeah.
Yes. So if there is any clogging, you can easily open it and clean it. Very convenient.
Yeah, and it's one by one. So
Yeah. So if any part is clogged, you can easily open it. No need to open all the systems.
oh, I see. So the design is very important.
Yeah, this is also our improvement based on our clients' feedback. So you see the manufacturing experience and the installation experience are very, very important. Not just manufacture the machine and it's done, not like this.
Yeah, I see. Hi, you see, Huayin company has different DDoS system.
Yes.
Yeah, and this is one of the DDoS system.
Yeah.
But it's a very popular one.
Yeah, this is the 5.5 meter stainless steel ceramic ring. That's a removal system. And it has several advantages. First, it's a ceramic ring. It will not only has the water sprinkler to absorb the impurities, but also the ceramic ring will also help absorb the impurities and smoke.
Yeah, I see. And it's very easy to clean the ceramic.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So you don't need to buy the new ceramic, and you could only clean the ceramic with the water.
Yes.
And it's okay.
Yes, yes.
So it's totally simple.
Yeah, and that's why this detaching system is the most popular one. And it's another advantage is stainless steel material because it has acid inside. So this material can stand the acid corrosion and ensure long service life. If using common material, the cost will be cheaper, but in your factory, the service life will be shorter. That's why we always try to ensure the quality in our factory.
Yeah. So the quality is very important. Not the price is the most important.
Yes. Because you do this business not for 1 day or 2 days, you do this for a long time, and we not only help you to get profit for short term but long term.
Yeah, and many of our clients they do this business for over 5 years, 10 years, 1 year. It's so long time.
Yes, and we have many old clients who buy from us again and again, like our Thailand client. He bought us several times, and he's now our agent and helps sell machine in Thailand because it's a very big market there.
Yeah.
And our funding client also got 5 machines.
Be our agent is a so perfect choice.
Yes.
Not only for him, not but also for us, for buying company.
Yeah, and also for the environment.
Yeah. Hi, now my friends. Now we are in number 3 workshop. Now you are in Huayin live showroom, manufacture of pyrolysis machine for recycling with tires and plastic to oil.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to process different raw materials, and you could leave message or click the catalog, and our salespeople will share with you more information about our machine.
Yes.
Hi, go walk under our feet. Here is what's this? So many holes.
Yes, this place is for checking the welding things. You know, the welding for the small machines, the oil water separator, the anti-backfire device, the oil tank, and so on. We will, after they are complete, we will take them here and pump with water, then pump pressure, and to see whether there is any bubble out. If there is no bubble, it means the welding quality is good. Then we are send them to client.
Yeah, so Huayin company will test every part of the machine before delivery to our customers.
Yes, because the machine quality is very important, especially no oil gas leakage. So we have to ensure that we already perfect the machine in our factory and not let our clients meet such a problem.
Yeah, he provide parties machine with good quality. It's our responsibility.
Yes, our client's responsibility is to run the machine and get profit.
Yeah. Hi, my friends. If you want to recycle different raw materials like plastic, tires, rubber, and oil sludge, you could leave message or click catalog, and our salespeople will share with you more information. Yeah. Now here you could see the big foundation. It's for the pyrolysis machine 10-ton per batch.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very big.
Yeah, for the foundation, the heating system, there are 2 ways, underground or overground. So
Yeah, it is overground. Yeah. And if you dig it and put it into the
yeah, it's okay. Also okay if you dig a big hole and put it there because it's no need for your workers to do the civil work because in some countries it's not easy and it's very high to find good civil workers.
yeah, and during the production of foundation, we also use the fireproofing materials.
Yes.
Yeah, like the fireproof cement and bricks. Yeah, because the working temperature is so high, so we need to use the good materials to ensure the safety.
Yes,
Yeah.
and this foundation is suitable for countries where the countries that don't allow digging underground, or the land is very soft and has water, and not suitable for digging. If it is suitable for digging, we also recommend it to dig underground because in this way the reactor height will be lower and it's very easy to operate.
Yeah, I see. Hi, now my friends use the inner reactor.
Yeah.
It's for delivery, but wow, why? Could you introduce more info about this one?
Yeah, because you see
see that it's ready for delivery, but it has no thermal insulation cover, right? That's because this plant is for one Kyrgyzstan client, and this client has to Kyrgyzstan you can transport the machine by train or by truck, right?
Yeah.
But if by truck, the cost will be very high. But by train, the train size is limited. So that's why we remove the insulation cover and send them separately. In this way, you can save the transportation cost.
Yeah, I see. So, Huayin company can also provide customized transportation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Usually, we send the food to Qingdao port for loading in container. But sometimes, if clients have special requests or if needed, we can also take containers to our factory and put them in factory, like our South African client weeks ago.
Yeah. And now, my friends, now you are in Huayin live show. The more live show you see, and the bigger coupon you could get.
Yes.
Huayin company is a manufacturer for recycling waste tires and plastics to oil pyrolysis machine.
Yes.
Yeah, just now, you mentioned the dust system
Yes.
with ceramic.
Yes.
Yeah, now have a look. What the ceramic? Okay.
Yes.
Wow, this one ceramic.
Yeah, these are ceramics, and in the deduction system, there are several layers, and inside each layer, there will be many pieces ceramic rings to up. When the flue gas goes up, the smoke will be stopped here. The dirty things will be stay in here, and while the clean oil, the clean flue gas will go outside, so it can meet your environmental standards.
Yeah.
And when shipping, we will send all these many boxes of ceramic rings to you for you to daily operation. So you can imagine how good emission standard you would meet, because so many boxes will be put in one deducting system.
Yeah. And Huayin company also has air emission report.
Yeah.
Yeah. And my friends, if you want to get more files about the oil report and air emission reports, share with your information, and we will send more files to your email or to your WhatsApp message.
Yes.
Now, my friends, you are in Huayin live show. It's our number 3 workshop. Hi, Clover. I think it's a new machine.
Yes, this machine is a laser cutting machine, and we bought in March 2020.
In last year?
Yes, in last year. Oh, and you want to say that it's COVID-19, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's our very special part of our boss. During COVID-19, many bosses would think this is a bad time to invest, right?
Yeah.
But Huayin thinks this is a good time for us to focus ourselves and to improve our quality. So we buy this machine to ensure that the cutting size is more accurate.
Yeah, and it is amazing. It's made by this machine. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
It's
amazing.
very accurate and can make special size.
Yeah.
Even
Wow.
this small part very accurate.
Wow. So the advantage of this new machine.
And you can see that it's, but you know, the machine size is very, it needs to be very accurate, right?
Yeah.
So this machine, this cutting machine first make accurate size, and second, it can reduce the leftovers and waste of the steel plates. In that way, our manufacturing costs can be lower. And third, and we can reach mass production. Every month, we can produce 25 sets of machines.
Wow, it's so many. So the delivery time will be short.
Yeah.
Hi, my friends. If you have purchased one in the 2 months, then you could use the coupon.
Yeah. If you have a purchase plan in 2 months, please don't forget to take a screenshot and click check now and send to our service manager.
Yeah. Hi, my friends. Huayin company produce pyrolysis machine for recycling different raw materials to burn it oil. Yeah. Now you see so many. It's another design of disaster system.
Yeah, this is our common dispatching system, the water filled scrubber dispatching system. It is suitable when you use coal or wood as fuel, and it can meet many countries' environmental standards.
Yeah, I see. So company Huayi has different choices for you. Yeah. If in your country, my friends, if you don't know how to choose the right one, then you could share with us the local environmental requirements with us, and we will provide you suitable disaster system.
Yes, and you could also click chat now and tell us which country you are in and which kind of fuel you want to use, because this machine can use wood, coal, natural gas, and fuel oil from tire and plastic as fuel.
Yeah. Hi, provide for the hydraulic pump.
Yeah, this is the hydraulic pump for controlling the auto feeder, the automatic feeding machine.
Oh, it's a part of the auto feeder.
Yes, and so to pushing and push back, so that you can feed more easily and quickly.
Yeah, and with the hydraulic pressure?
The hydraulic pressure is 60 tons.
60 tons.
Yeah, it's like you know how big power it has.
I don't know.
It's like 12 trucks.
Whoa, 12 trucks. So, oh, I see. So it could put the 10-ton raw materials into the reactor in only 2 hours.
Yeah, so this big pushing arm can help pushing the tires tightly, very tightly, so to save space and can feed very quickly.
Yeah, and if the workers put the waste tires themselves by themselves, then how long it will take?
Because they cannot push very hard, and because they have to push piece by piece, it will take 4 to 6 hours, and they can only feed 6 to 7 tons.
Oh, so our auto feeder with the hydraulic pump, it could help you to save the space in the reactor.
Yes, also save you the feeding time.
Yeah.
And I will introduce to you in details about how to choose the feeding system and what's the advantages of this automatic feeder.
Yeah. Hi, my friends. Now we have shot the 3 workshops in our factory. Now in the next part, we will have a video call with our engineers and clients in the Indonesia. Yeah, and our engineer, Miss Young, will show you the running pyrolysis machine. Yeah, and you will know how to install the machine and how to run the machine and how to train the workers.
Yes.
Yeah. So my friends, don't leave our live show.
Now exciting time is coming. Yeah, later we will have a video call with our engineers.
Yeah, the engineer experience is very important. So we will train engineers before they go to our client's site to operate the machine, and also this engineer Yang has installed machines in many countries and is very highly spoken of by clients.
Yeah. Hi, my friends. Now you are in Huayin Lecture, a reliable manufacturer for pyrolysis plant. And pyrolysis machine could recycle with tires, plastics, oil sludge, and other raw materials to furnish oil. Now, hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Now, Coco and Clover will have a video call with our engineer, Mr. Yang. Hi, time for you.
Hi, my friends. Welcome to Huayin Live Show. Now, we will have a phone call with our engineer Yang. Yeah. Firstly, let me reintroduce the sales promotion to our friends. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah. In fact, it's our 8th times live show. Yeah. No matter in last year or in this new year. Yes. This month we have 3 times live show. Yeah. In last week, this week, and the next week. So we have the sales promotion. If you can see our live show 3 times, you will get about $8,000 coupon. Yeah, just take a screenshot about our live show. Then you will get the $8,000 coupon. Okay. Don't forget take a screenshot. Yeah. Okay, Lower. Our business is related to the waste tire and waste plastic to oil business. Right. Yeah, when it relates to oil, the safe and after service is very important. Yes. As we just mentioned, we already export our machine to more than 78 countries. Yes. So we have rich experience about how to install in different countries. Yes. Yeah. Our engineer, Mr. Yang, is in Indonesia now. So we will have a video call with him and see how he install the machine and help our clients. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You switch for. Okay. Wait a moment, please. Glover, help me translate. Yeah. Okay. Then here. Okay.
Now live. You make live video. You make live video.
春雷哥你好，稍等一下啊。
待会儿你给我拿吧。待会儿现在这边的负责人。
Hello, I'm fine. Nice to meet you. 非常好。Now they are saying hello with each other.
把这边的这个该抓的事，然后等一会儿我下来这个车间里边的下来以后，把这的现场全部看一下。这个对方也多少给他说几句话。
大概多长时间？
I will ask Tunle to show you the plan. How we fix your system with all the coding and everything.
This is the manager of the factory.
Live video.
Okay, are you certified with Huayin after service?
Yes, I'm satisfied with Huayin, but we can make more improvement. There's a lot of improvement we can make to the system.
Okay.
Now your system come into the government of Indonesia, right? So we have to make more modification and a bit of touch up. I'm sure we can make it.
Okay.
Let's only show you everything. Okay, you can see.
Okay. 他们待一会儿给我们展示一下他们的这个设备。然后如果待一会儿的话，我现在先跟你聊一些简单的问题啊，就是客户就是买这个设备是处理什么原料的？
对，你现在开始了？
啊，对。
他这个简单的知道吧？
可以啊，其实这个客户主要是处理那个油泥的是吧
Yeah, this client is to process all your sludge.
这边客户主要是处理油泥，是原油运输这个船上的沉积物，舱底油泥。现收的回来，对，现在这边有样品。
This client is mainly to process the bunker oil sludge during the crude oil transportation. And here is a sample. You can see it's very sticky.
好，这个是他们那个船底油泥是吧？
对，这就是清出来的舱底泥。sludge。然后这是昨天运行出来的，咱们排出来的碳黑。
This is the carbon black we produced yesterday.
出来的这些水还有蜡油，
这是蜡油。
This is the water wax oil.
他们的第一个油罐里面的油，然后这是第二个
oil from first tank and oil from the second oil tank.
这个是汽油嘛？最后一个。
最后一个是咱们第二个罐里面前期出来和水混合物出来当时的汽油组分，低温的时候出来的。
低温的时候出来的。
This is from the oil second oil tank due to in the early stage.
好。
So many samples.
Yeah.
这是出来的蜡油凝结，凉了以后就是凝结成稠状物。
This is the wax oil produced from oil sludge.
后面的呢？后面的是什么样品？能展示一下吗？
后面的一样，这是第一炉出来的。这是第一炉出来的，这是第二炉出来的。
对，
一样的。
They already processed 2 batches, and this is from the first batch, and this is from the second batch.
对，所以我们工程师就是不仅一次帮客户试炉，会试很多炉。
So we will test the engineers will test many batches for you, so that you can learn, and the workers can know the running process.
这是原油油泥。
This is the crude oil sludge.
Yeah, oil sludge. Yeah, you can see oil sludge. 我们这个客户是买了几台几吨的？
他是2套。
He bought 2 sets of machines, and this is the office of the factory.
然后我们可以到现场看一下。
好，可以。
Now Mr. Yang will take us to the plant site to show you the process.
他们是现在还没上班是吧？
没有，今天是昨天运行了以后，今天做一个这个设备的排查检修嘛。因为明后天要政府过来验收。今天是前面试运行了以后，这边做一个安排准备。准备接待验收。
对，然后等于是他们前2天试运行了，今天是检修，明天政府就过来验收了。
现在这边咱们看到2个大池子。这是客户准备的这个原料储存池。
原料储存池。好，稍等一下，让那个陈静翻译一下。
This is the place to store oil sludge, and this client already had 2 batches yesterday and yesterday before, and the day before yesterday.
全部做盖子，整体做盖子封闭。
他们这个是原油储存。
原油油泥，咱们的反应谱刚好在后面。
这是我们的设备。
This is our plant, and the reactor is behind this. And tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, the government will come and to check the process.
Yeah, and give them the running license.
Yes.
我到现场。
好。他们这个车间大概多大，您知道吗？
车间大概在100米到乘个30米左右吧。
This area is about is about 30,000 square meter.
Yeah, 30,000 square meter.
这边池子是储料池。储料池，然后通过
This is the reactor.
进料机。
The outer feeder. This is the raw material stocking area to feed into the reactor.
春雷哥，你竖着拿手机。现在是画面是倒的，哎，对啊，现在好了。好，我们就是从进料机、反应釜、冷凝、除尘这些开始看吧，好吧，春雷哥。
对 ，OK。
好，
咱们的进料机到现场了以后，根据现场的情况做了一些改动。因为它比较有些比较稀的会滴落嘛，后面做了一个钢板，这可以自动落下以后可以连接到那个储料池上。这边有航调直接标着来到进料机里面。好，
就是现场做了一些改动，技术改动。
We did some modifications at the site because the oil sludge will easily drop, so that means the engineer experience is very important.
Yeah.
This is the carbon black discharging system.
这是排插的。
Yeah, this one is the carbon black discharge system.
This is the reactor, the red one.
前排插、后排插两套系统。两套排插系
统。
这一套做一个可以做高温的时候排插。
后排插是高温的时候排插。
对，后排插因为后排插不需要开盖板，可以直接从乳粒面把物料提出来。
好。
This plant is equipped with both side carbon black discharging and back design discharging because this back discharging can discharge even under high temperature.
Yeah. 这是烧油机是吧？
对。
The oil burners. And syngas burners.
Oil burner, syngas burner.
You see, our engineer can also speak English because they already installed in many plants and many countries.
现在咱们的工人正在打这个保养设备，打润滑质。
好，拍一下他们工人。
This is the worker doing
这也是咱们华人
maintenance and scrubbing.
你好
high temperature grade.
你好。
Now they are get ready for tomorrow's government inspection.
他是印尼华裔，也是华人。
This worker is also a Chinese guy. He is Chinese nationality in Indonesia.
这是控制箱。
Electric cabinet.
我们看一下上面的语言是英文和中文吗？
对，中英文的。
You can see here it's written both in Chinese and English for workers to easily understand.
控制柜都是中英文的控制。
可以。
然后这边是我们做了一个调整，因为当地又标注了当地的语言嘛，当地他们讲印尼语。
And we also add Indonesia local language here for workers to easily understand.
我看他们自己还增加了很多的标签是吧？标签。
对，所有的位置、所有的管道上面，现场都做了一个标示。然后每个用途。还有这些就方便操作。因为现在是刚做完以后测试。等全部完善了以后，所有的管道，咱们还会给它改变一个颜色，区分不同作用。
可以。
比如说水和气、油这些操控什么状态下起什么作用，都要把它单独的用一个颜色把它区分开。
好。
Clients also add different labels there locally for workers to easily understand the functions of each pipe. And later they will change the colors of each pipe for workers to understand which pipe is for controlling oil, gas, or water.
然后附带是 除尘。
哦，不带式除尘。
This is the bag filter. That's the deducting system.
他们的冷凝是用的54米冷凝是吗？刚才看，你看看他们冷凝。
咱们是框架冷凝器。哦，
框架冷凝。36米，好。
It uses a 36-meter integrated design cooling system.
Yeah.
Very easy and quick to install. This is the very advanced denitration and desulfurization deducting system. It can meet the most strict environmental standards.
Yeah.
经过过滤脱销以后，通过这边是烟囱里面的排出。
After denitration and desulfurization, the clean flue gas will go out from the chimney.
chimney.
这边2组设备，现场这边备了水罐。
哦，这个白色的是水罐是吗？
做水池嘛。
哦。
全部做了水罐。
Oh, this
水罐、储油罐等等。
好。
This client didn't dig a water pool underground, but instead they used 2 overground water tanks for cooling exchange.
Cooling pump. 然后通过管道输送到咱们的冷凝系统。
The water will go through from the water tank to the cooling system through this pipe.
车间做的比较紧凑，后期还计划再增加，所以每个位置都做的比较紧凑。
就是客户有增加购买的那个计划，所以他们的设计的那个 layout 都比较紧凑。
现场这边这会儿是安装了2套，然后另外车间的另一半也略有了空间。如果这边都运行正常了，还会增加，并且在其他地方，像这边的斯拉巴亚、泗水，还有巴黎，还有缅甸，等等好多地方都要会增加这些项目。
You see,
并且现在这边的是当地政府相当重视的一个项目。因为要处理掉这个原油很多的这个污染物嘛。因为印尼也是一个石油大国，它开采石油也很多。
Yes,
这边公司目前它是做石油的运输行业，然后这些船上的舱底会沉积一些 sludge，他们自己做处理。同时，如果这边都效果能完善了以后，将会提供对外做一些业务，然后对他们的油田等等也会提供业务，接受这个处理业务。
好，让陈鑫翻译一下。
You see, the engineer says a lot of information and it's very important. So please pay attention to this. You see here, the plant only takes a very small part of area because this client has a purchase plan. After this machine work well, they will purchase other machines to put in the factory. Moreover, this plant is in ocean and is in transportation business. So, and you know, Indonesia, it has many crude oil. So, the Indonesian government also values this project a lot. Yeah. If this project is successful, this client will do this business in other places as well. This project now is in Batam City. They are planning to install this in Bali Island and other cities as well. And the government will support this a lot. Yeah. Because this is not only for this client, but also to deal with the oil sludge in the ocean.
Good to the environment.
Yes.
Yeah. 好，这个。
这是脱硫脱硝的小 搅拌罐、配液罐、药剂配液罐。
These are the mixing tank for the denitration and the desulfurization liquid.
Heavy oil tank.
这是一个咱们前面出的第一个油罐出来的，它相对这个油比较
重一点，
比较粘稠一点，比较重一点。因为它这个油泥出来以后，很类似于咱们的塑料油出来以后，就是冷却的会黏黏的。这个也是。但是第二个的话出来就是很清亮的，刚才咱们看到那个样品罐里面看到。第二个做那个 light oil tank。
This is the light oil tank from the second oil tank, and that's now you see the first tank, the crude oil tank. This crude oil is like plastic. At first, the oil will be a little sticky, but after the early stage, the oil will be very light.
这是他们的储油罐。
这是昨天测试出来的，暂时我们打到这个吨桶里面，用这些也装了。
Two batches, they already get so much oil, and they temporarily pump the oil into these ton buckets, and later they will.
We can see the oil sample. Very light.
It's very light and yellow.
颜色挺好的。
这是前期出来的，比较清亮点的。
It's very light, like a diesel, like a plastic oil, right? Very beautiful color. Wow, so many ton buckets.
这个是这个客户的公司是吧？
对，客户的 master。
Their company name.
这是客户的公司。
好的。
They also made a picture to show the different parts and the oil sample.
做的一个假解码。还有这是从船上提取的物料。然后工人通过这个收集到的油泥，还有海上那个原油泄漏等等这些收集回来的。然后储存到刚才咱们看到那个储存仓里面。
This is the process how they collect the crude oil sludge from bank bottom.
通过我们的设备处理完了以后，就是处理完油，分离成油，还有这个碳灰。
可以的。
This is how they collect it, and then they use our machines to get the carbon black oil and the slag and syngas and so on.
好，春雷哥，还有其他的吗
？OK， 咱们看到这边有工艺流程图。
They also made a detailed graph of the working process.
It's a simple chart. 这是他们也是展示给政府部门看的，是吧？
对，因为流程图的话，就是工人们也可以熟悉它的系统嘛。
The manager, factory manager.
这是他们厂长是吧？
这是对。
Hello， 他要带着我们展示吗？
没有，他准备要出去。
好。
他说可以到外面整体车间的布局都可以看一下。
可以。
And this factory manager is very kind. He even tells engineer that the engineer can take us outside and to have a general idea of this factory.
有些就是需要看到整体的布局， 还有就是场地的规划呀等等，他们大概就有个概念了。
Yes.
因为这边的它有这个原油的储存和运输业务嘛。同时咱们的物料油的话，也可以这边做了。
Wow, you see the big tank. This client is also include oil storage and transportation business.
Yeah.
So
这是咱们的处理车间。
This is the workshop for the pyrolysis process.
那边是这就贴着海了，那边都是运输原油的轮船。
This is close to the sea, and these are the ships for transporting crude oil.
这边现场做了有2000吨的储油罐，这是。
This is 2,000 ton crude oil storage tanks.
还有就是，这边也同时做了一些油污水的分离设备。
There is also the sludge water treatment system. So this client really very values this project.
Yeah. They have rich raw material.
Yes.
这些是处理这个废水。
These are the sludge water treatment system.
这是他们自己的废水处理系统。
这也是从国内过来的。然后匹配到整套系统里面。这是重庆给我制造的。
好，这就是他们的工厂外观，是吧？
对，这是工厂外观，这是办公楼。
This is the office building. This is the workshop. You have after you see this, you will have a general idea of the factory layout.
Yeah. 一般到那个客户的现场以后，我们的工程师都会给他们做那个安装计划，帮助客户什么时间段该装什么。
Yeah. Once our engineer arrives at the site, the first thing they do is to have the workers and the client to do site plan about and the installation plan.
Yeah, about the schedule.
我们技术员到现场以后，因为到现场之前就会跟客户在网络上沟通，场地的规划，然后到现场以后要根据现有的场地，还有他们提前准备好的，去做一些合理的布局安排。
Even before engineer goes to the client site, they will have early communication with the client, and after they get there, they will together make a detailed installation plan and the schedule, and based on their local conditions and their existing materials.
可以看到，现在这是油泥的储料仓。储料仓这边做的很标准的。
This is the oil sludge storage place. It's fully sealed.
然后通过吊装以后吊到计量机里面，进入我们的反应炉。
And when feeding, this storage area will be open and hoisted to the outer feeder and then fed to the reactor.
他们这个原油是通过什么计量方式到我们那个计量机的？是抽的吗？
不是，因为原油现在他们都是用吨袋盛装的，然后吨袋里面是小包装袋，它这个需要在船里面拿到以后， 都是一些因为当地的政府规定必须用这种编织袋单独包装，独立小包装。然后到这边以后，有些需要拆封的，我们需要把它拆开进入反应釜。不需要拆开的就整个袋子推进去就进入。
The engineers just shared with us the feeding way of the oil sludge because in Indonesia it requires the oil sludge to be packed in small plastic bags. So they put small plastic bags into regular tonnage bags, and when feeding, if there is need to open the bags, they will need and open it and put it into auto feeder. If no need to open, they will directly put these plastic bags into the auto feeder and push inside. So it's very easy.
好的。
And no pollution.
现场这些油泥有些会有很大的不同，有些是比较流动性比较好的，像油水一样。那么这些我们就可以利用泵直接输送到反应釜里面。再者就是一些半粘稠状，就是半流体，这种就可以通过现在这边也在制造，又在改造了一个这个进料方式，就是直接做一个斜角漏斗，后面现在那边正在制造着，斜角漏斗直接往那个泡到里面以后就流进去了，然后比较粘稠的，我们用我们的液压进料机把它顶压进去。
可以的。
There are three kinds of raw oil sludge materials. Liquid and half sticky and sticky. For the liquid oil sludge, we can use a hopper to directly put it in, and for the half sticky, now they are customized a hopper for it to put in, and for the sticky material, we can use our existing auto feeder to feed.
对，所以那个不同的客户呢，他可能根据原料有不同的需求。我们和很多客户都有一些技术合作。当我们工程师到他们现场以后，都会根据他们的要求进行技术改造。
So different clients might need different feeding solutions and plant solutions. So once we get there, we will have a detailed discussion with the clients, and we have a technical cooperation with these clients.
好的，春雷哥，还有其他的要展示的吗？
OK， 这些都是基本上就是这些的这边的现场全部。
好的，那好，谢谢春雷哥啊。好，
OK，
那 you say goodbye 吧。OK， 拜拜 ，Thank you。OK， Okay, it's our site in Indonesia.
Yes.
We already export to 78 countries. So our engineer have very rich experience.
Yes.
In different countries and meet different client requirements and situation.
Yes. You know what I just thought? I thought it's very lucky for in our company and in this client to cooperate with each other. This Indonesian client has very big needs for this oil sludge treatment, and they need professional advice. And Hua Yin is a professional in this area, and engineer Yang has a rich experience in plant installation. And also, he has been in Xinjiang Autonomous Region in China for installing and operating the oil sludge machines. That's why he can help this client to deal with his oil sludge. The oil sludge in Xinjiang is different like this. So he can make some adjustment based on his experience.
Yes. So when you find Hua Yin to recycle the waste tire, waste plastic, or the oil sludge, you will save a lot of time. because we meet a lot of clients.
Yes.
Bought the machine from other company or from other countries, but they can't do the after service work. It's very serious problem.
Yes, because this plant is very complicated, not just like a clothes. You can wear it in many ways, but the plant, if not working, you can do nothing. You can only rely on the factory experience.
Yes, so no one wants to lose money and lose time, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's about our, we do go with our engineer, and in the following time, Miss Clover will introduce the very important part of our pyrolysis plant. It's about the cooling system and the discharge system. Okay. The following time, hand over to Miss Clover. Okay, see you later.
Thank you, Coco. And welcome and thanks for staying with us. Now you are watching the live show for with the tire and plastic pyrolysis plant. And in our demo factory, Coco has showed you the 6 parts: a feeding system, outer feeder, and the cooling and other parts. And today I will show you especially the 3 parts: feeding system, the cooling system, and the carbon black discharging system. First, I will show you the feeding system. This feeding system has 2 ways. You can feed manually or with machines. So first, let's look at the manual feeding. You see here, workers have to feed one piece by piece. So first, it's dangerous, not safe, because especially after the first batch, the reactor temperature is still hot and it's no oxygen, because the plant operates under zero pressure, under zero oxygen. So even after you open the door, it's still very low oxygen, not safe. And second, it's long feeding time, because one piece by piece, you can only feed 6 to 10 ton tires of plastics within 4 to 6 hours. But with the auto feeder, you can feed 10 tons easily within 2 hours, because of the 60 ton hydraulic pressure. Later I will show you. And third, it's long waiting time, because you need to wait until the reactor totally cools down before you can let workers go inside. So, but using auto feeder, no need to wait, just feed directly after you discharge carbon black and steel wire. So let's look at the second way, the auto feeder. You can see here it has the auto feed, the piston and the 60 ton hydraulic pressure. So very good pushing effect. And you can see the video here. It's very easy and quick. No need to go inside. So first, it's very safe. And second, it's very clean, because no need to get very dirty, right? And third, you can fit more because of the 60 ton hydraulic pressure. You can fit you can push very hard and saving space for more feeding. And fourth, 2 hours, 10 tons. Okay, no, easily. And less fuel, because you don't need to wait the reactor totally cool down. So it will save you the preheating time and also the fuel for preheating. And moreover, there is a hook and at the bottom for you to easily pull out the steel wire. And last but not least, this auto feeder is we applied patent in 2009. Until now, it's almost 12 years. So it's very mature and it's very convenient. Which design do you prefer, the automatic feeding or manual feeding? If you have any question or doubt, just
please chat now or comment to contact our service people. We will give you suitable suggestions based on your needs. And the second part, the cooling system. First, let's look at the working principle first. After feeding, you heat with fuel. After heating, you heat with fuel, and then after 2 to 4 hours heating, all your gas will come out and go through the 3 cooling stages, first and second and third. All your gas will be cooled down here, be cooled down into each stage, and the liquid oil will be collected in the oil tanks. Here, I'd like to introduce to you also 2 very important safety devices, the oil water separator and the anti-backfire device, because they are very essential to ensure the safety. Why? Because the cooling pipe, after this plant is oil gas, right? We have to ensure that oil gas is fully cooled down into liquid fuel oil and goes to the oil tank. Otherwise, if the oil gas stays in the reactor or goes back to the reactor, when you open the carbon black discharging door, you will easily get fire, because the carbon black, the remaining oil gas will meet the oxygen outside, right? So how to ensure oil gas cannot go back to reactor? This is the oil water separator. You see here, after the cooling pipe, the oil gas and the liquefied fuel oil goes through 5 centimeters underwater, and the oil will go up because it is lighter than water. Then it will be collected in the oil tanks, while the oil gas will go up, but they cannot go back. Why? Because this part is not contact with water, so oil gas cannot go underwater and go back. So this is the water sealing, the first and the very important function of this oil water separator. And second, it can separate oil and water. And third, it can clean oil gas, because when oil gas goes up, because this is water, so there will be bubble coming out, and this bubble will clean oil gas, purify the oil gas for you to get a better oil quality. And fourth, there is a water jacket outside. So the temperature inside is over 100 Celsius degrees. So this can help you prevent workers from getting hurt. These are the functions of the oil water separator, and the anti-backfire device also has this water sealing effect. And so let's look at the 3 different types of the cooling systems. Over the past 2 decades, we've developed many designs of cooling systems, and now 3 types are most popular. This one is the first type. You see here is the distributed design, because the parts are separate and need to be assembled together in your factory. And so let's look next. And here you see inside each pipe, it has 57 pipes to separate. And so the oil gas will be separated into 57 parts. And it has a good cooling effect, and it's very easy to install and operate. And thanks for watching our live show. This is Xinjiang Huayin, the tire and plastic pyrolysis plant. And we have 3 live shows. If you watch last week and today and next week, all these 3 live shows, you will get 8,000 coupon. So Please stay with us. And now the second type of the cooling system, integrated design. You see here, all the parts are already assembled together in our factory. So it will save you the installation. It will save you the installation time, very quick to install. And second, its slope design can help you get a better oil quality because the impurities will stay here and easy for you to clean. And third, it's 40 high cube container design, very easy to put into 40 high cube, specially designed for overseas clients. And here we see the third type, the square box integrated design. This is also very popular. It has the longest cooling distance, 120 meters. And second, it's a super cooling effect. And you see it, you can heat the reactor with high temperature and shortening the plant processing time. And fourth, because this already has a water tank, so no need to dig water pool. Very easy to install, and moreover, it needs less water. So it's very suitable for countries with a high temperature like Thailand and Indonesia and so on. And it's also very popular for countries with scarce water source like Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and so on. And these are the three types of the cooling systems. May I know which system do you prefer? Or may I know which country you are from so that we can recommend a suitable one? Please type below. And if you have a purchase plan in the 2 months, please don't forget to take a screenshot and to get the coupon. And if you watch 3 live shows together continuously at each Wednesday, you will get 8,000 coupon. Isn't that attractive? So please stay with us and for the pyrolysis plant live show. And now I will show you the carbon black discharging system. We have 3 ways: the front way, the side way, and the rear way, the back side. But the side way and the back design are most popular. So today I will introduce these 2 ways. You know, the carbon black discharging is very important because it's very high. It's also hot and it's easy to fly, very light. So it's very important to ensure that the carbon black discharging process is fully sealed and it's low temperature. That's why we designed the pipes fully sealed and we add a water jacket outside the pipes. You see here the video. This plant is installed in Lithuania, a European country. This plant bought a 10-ton machine, and this is the carbon black discharging system. You can see from the sight glass, it's carbon black falling, but it's fully sealed. No flying everywhere because the European country is very strict about environmental protection. And this client already got the license for running this project. Later, we can show them factory inside. And please stay with us for the live show and take a screenshot and get the 8,000 coupon. And this is our engineer and our sales manager went to visit the clients after the plant is installed. You see the sky is very blue. And may I know which country are you from and is your country emission standard strict? Please tell us and contact, click chat now or click chat catalog to send us more information and for us to recommend a suitable carbon black discharging system. This is the reactor, the cooling system, and the carbon black discharging system. You see the water pipe to pump water inside the water jacket. And these are the carbon black they already got. You see here, the plant is still rotating and is rotating anti-backwise to discharge carbon black. And here, it's running, but you can see nothing coming out. It's fully sealed. And that's the water pipe to pump water inside the water jacket so that you can discharge while the carbon black is below 60 Celsius degree. So the hopper, the carbon black is already common temperature, very convenient and quick to discharge carbon black. Okay. And that's the improvement we've done to the carbon black discharging system. You can also see that in our factory, this knuckle design. So it's very easy to open it and to clean. It's very easy and convenient to do the daily checking. And if there is clogging inside the system, you can easily open one pipe, no need to open all the pipes. Very easy. And this is the type 2 back design. This you can discharge from the back part. And this is also very clean. But for one system, we don't suggest you to use this because it's high cost. If you buy several sets together, with you can use the back design. And that's all today about today's live show. And next week, still Wednesday, we will have a live show and after showing you the demo factory and showing you the 3 workshops, we will introduce to you in this live show room about how to choose a right and a suitable dedusting system and heating system. And if you take a coupon, take a screenshot of this live show and the next live show, you will get $8,000 coupon. So please stay with us and see you next time, next Wednesday, still 2 to 4. You see here if you watch today and next week you will get 8,000 coupon. And our next live show is January 27th, next Wednesday, 2 to 4 p.m. So please stay with us and thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.